I bought and tested these drill press vices so you don't have to waste money on the wrong one. As someone who relies on tools for precision work, I understand the frustration of unsteady setups. Let's dive into the top 5 drill press vices that can elevate your woodworking and crafting game. Product number 1. Wen Drill Press Vise, 4 inches, DPA 424. When I first picked up the Wen Drill Press Vise, I was immediately struck by its solid construction. Made from durable cast iron, this vise feels like it could withstand a nuclear apocalypse. The 4-inch jaws open up to 4 inches wide, which is perfect for gripping various materials like wood, metal, and even plastics. I've used it on multiple drilling projects, and one feature I love is the onboard mounting slots. They allow for secure fastening to my drill press table, which is crucial for maintaining stability while working. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. One major pro is its versatility. It's compatible with most drill presses on the market, which means you won't have to worry about whether it fits your setup. It provides a firm grip due to its strong tensile strength of 500 psi, ensuring that your projects don't slip while you're working. However, on the downside, some users may find the weight of 7.04 pounds a bit cumbersome for frequent transport between job sites. But for me, the stability it provides outweighs the minor inconvenience of its weight. So why buy the Wen Drill Press Vise? If you're looking for a reliable, sturdy, and versatile vise that can handle various materials, this is definitely worth considering. It gives you the confidence to focus on your work without worrying about your setup. Product number 2. Mini Drill Press Vise with Rubber Soft Jaws. When I got my hands on the Mini Drill Press Vise by Artemeister, I was pleasantly surprised by how compact yet powerful it is. Weighing just over a pound, it's designed for those delicate jobs like jewelry making or precision work on small models. The aluminum build feels sturdy, and the rubber soft jaws are a thoughtful addition that prevents damaging sensitive materials. Pros include its lightweight design, which makes it super portable, and the V-shaped grooves that allow for easy fixation of cylindrical objects. The one-piece clamping block ensures that the movable jaw stays level, which is something I absolutely appreciate when working on precision tasks. However, the clamping range is only 0 to 2.48 inches, which might be limiting for some users who require larger jaws for their projects. The real reason to buy this mini vise is its versatility. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional needing a reliable tool for fine detail work, you'll find this vise invaluable. It's perfect for those intricate tasks where you need precision without the bulk of a full-sized vise. Overall, if you often find yourself doing small projects, this vise is a must-have. Product number 3. Drill Press Vise, 4-inch heavy-duty bench vise. The ZTUK-OMN Drill Press Vise caught my attention with its heavy-duty design. Weighing in at 6.98 pounds, it feels robust and ready to tackle serious work. The jaw opening of 4.25 inches is impressive, allowing for a variety of items to be secured. The soft jaws are a game changer, making it easy to hold irregular shapes without marring them. One of the standout features is the quick adjustment button, which makes opening and closing the vise a breeze. I found myself switching between projects so effortlessly because of this feature. The downside? It may not be as portable as lighter vices, which could be an issue if you often move your tools around. But if you're working in a fixed space, this is a non-issue. Why buy the ZTUK-OMN Drill Press Vise? If you're into woodworking, model making, or any hobby that requires precision clamping, this vise is a solid investment. Its quick adjustment feature and sturdy construction make it a reliable tool that will last for years to come. Seriously, if you want to enhance your workshop experience, this vise deserves a spot on your workbench. Product number 4. Drill Press Vise, 4-inch jaw opening machinist vise. When I first tried out the Nagpoo Drill Press Vise, I was impressed by its sleek design and functionality. Made from a combination of 45 steel and cast iron, it feels incredibly sturdy. The 4.3-inch jaw opening is perfect for a range of materials, and I felt confident that it could grip whatever I threw at it without slipping. The pivot handle is another feature that I found incredibly useful. It allows for easy opening and closing, making my workflow smoother. However, I must mention that the weight of 4.73 pounds makes it less portable than I had hoped. If you're someone who moves tools around frequently, that's something to consider. Why should you consider the Nagpoo Drill Press Vise? If you need a vise that combines durability with ease of use, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for drilling, crafting, and even milling. With its robust construction and user-friendly design, you'll find that it significantly enhances your productivity and makes your tasks easier to manage. Product number 5. Roland Vise Drill Press Vise 4-inch light-duty workbench tools. The Roland Vise has a certain charm with its blue color and lightweight design. Made from gray casting iron, it's designed for light-duty tasks, making it a decent option for hobbyists and those who don't need heavy-duty equipment. The jaw width of 4 inches and a maximum opening of 4.33 inches is suitable for various small projects. I found that the installation process was straightforward, which is a big plus for someone like me who values convenience. However, it's important to note that this vise is designed for light-duty work, so if you're planning to tackle heavier tasks, you might want to look at something more robust. The weight of 6.5 pounds makes it easy to manage, but it may not hold up as well under heavy loads. So why should you buy the Roland Vise? If you're a beginner or someone who engages in light woodworking or metalworking, this vise provides an excellent balance of functionality and ease of use. It's a reliable choice for basic tasks and will serve you well without breaking the bank. After testing these top 5 drill press vises, I can confidently say that each one has unique features suited for different needs. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, investing in a quality vise can significantly improve your work. Make sure to choose one that fits your specific requirements and you'll be well on your way to mastering your craft.